Abdulaziz Al Saud carried a clear and steady belief that this nation would rise through faith, resolve, and trust in God. That conviction still moves through the kingdom today, carried by the wind and settling in the silence of the desert. And in that silence, a spark is born. Tiny lights drift through the air, drawn together as chaos becomes connection. From that spark, fire awakens. It glows, breathes, and moves. Once feared, now guided. From its light came courage. The flame stirs the air. Winds rise and twist, shaping rhythm. For those who listen, the wind is not a threat. It is freedom. It teaches us to move with the world, not against it. But every force must be faced. Gravity pulls us down, reminding us of limits. Yet in its weight, we discover lift. Those who respect its pull are the ones who rise. And so, flight begins. Fragile at first, wings of wood, daring to touch the air. The sky became our teacher, its silence our guide. The old gave way to the new. Faster, stronger, braver. Born from one truth. We rise through harmony, not defiance. Return, patient, eternal. They guided travelers through the desert long before compasses, and now they guide those who fly beyond. Every journey begins with direction. Every direction begins with purpose. every pilot knows well. Calm in the storm, focused in the light. They do not command the sky, they listen to it. A living image of leadership, rising by working with the forces that lift them. From every generation of leaders, a vision has grown, one that looks beyond the horizon. They see strength not in the wealth of the land, but in the spirit of its people. Guided by purpose and faith, today's leaders look to the sky and the earth alike, shaping progress that lives in harmony with both. True leadership doesn't just use nature's forces, it preserves them. It understands that this land, this sky, this nature is our home. From vision comes creation. A nation that once crossed the desert now shapes the future of the sky. This is Vision 2030. Progress in harmony with heritage. Innovation guided by the elements themselves. Above it all stands the hope of flight. For 25 years, the Saudi Aviation Club has enabled generations of pilots and dreamers, lifting the kingdom's ambition higher, nurturing discipline, skill, and passion. Its journey mirrors our own, rooted in heritage, driven by purpose, and always reaching for the horizon. Fire, wind, gravity, and light, moving together as one, an absolute symphony of nature and spirit, where human hands and the elements create the impossible.